Hi little friends, this is Mrs. Radway. Now that we are learning from home, I wanted to review some internet safety rules. Today, we're talking about private information, that information that you should not share online. Our big question that we'll be able to answer by the end of our lesson today is, what kinds of information should I keep to myself when I use the internet? To begin our thinking, let's answer this question. What kinds of things should we not tell a stranger? Go ahead and pause the video here and think about those things that you would not be comfortable sharing with a stranger. Then come right back. Welcome back. I hope that you discussed things like telling them your address or where you live, your phone number, maybe your full name, or any other really specific information about you. All of that is private information. It's important for you to keep certain information about yourself, like your address and your phone number, private from strangers. Remember that private means that it's something that you should keep to yourself. It should only be shared with people that you trust, like your caregivers or your teachers. Private information is also connected to one specific person. It helps to identify exactly who you are. For example, no people in our class right now have the same full name, first and last name, or they don't have the same phone number, unless you live in the same house. Let's take a look at some other examples of private information. We've talked about full name, meaning it's your first and last name. That's something that is private. You should not share, along with your address and your phone number. Those things describe exactly who you are. But it's also not a good thing for you to share your email address if you have one. Definitely don't share your passwords, because that allows them to get into your apps and your websites. Don't share your school, the name or the address, and don't share your parents' full name either, because then they might be able to do some searching to find out where you are. It's probably not a good idea for you to share your age, and definitely be mindful of the pictures that you are posting. Pictures can be private information as well because it identifies exactly who you are. It's important to keep this kind of information private. It is never safe to give out private information to people that you don't know, since it can be used to trick you or to put you in unsafe situations. You should always ask a parent or a caregiver before you give out private information to anyone. This applies to people that you meet in the real world, like out in your neighborhood, or to people that you meet online. When you share information online, it can be viewed by many people that you don't even know. So it's good to be cautious. That means to be careful. Remember, when I use the word online, I'm talking about any time that you're using a computer or a phone or a tablet to visit a website or an app. Let's play a little game here called the thumbs up or thumbs down. If the information I say is okay for you to share, I want you to show me a thumbs up. If the information is not okay for you to share, if it's private information, like we just talked about on the previous slide, I want you to put your thumbs down. Let's practice with this one. Is it okay for you to share your favorite ice cream flavor? Is that thumbs up okay or thumbs down not okay? Ice cream flavor. I hope I'm seeing your thumbs up here. Your ice cream flavor is perfectly fine to share. That does not describe exactly who you are. Here's another one. How about you want to share what you ate for dinner last night? Is that thumbs up okay to share or thumbs down not okay? Thumbs up. You're right. This is another example of something that's okay to share. Next one. How about your home address? Is that thumbs up okay to share or thumbs down? Ooh, I saw thumbs going down very quickly right there. You're right. The home address is not something that you can share. That is private information. How about Your best friend's favorite movie. Your best friend's favorite movie. Is that okay to share or is that not okay to share? Thumbs up or thumbs down? That's a thumbs up. That's an okay thing to share. Next one. How about your mom's phone number? Thumbs up or thumbs down? It's a phone number, so that means it is thumbs down, not okay to share. And our last one for practice here. How about your password? Is that okay to share or is that not okay to share? Passwords are a definite no-go. That is a not okay to share. Okay, so let's say that you have a new app and it's called SongTube and it allows you to create your own music. Let's say that you have permission to use this app from your caregiver, but it is asking you to fill out a form in order to do that. You need some help figuring out what is okay to share and what is not. Let's take a look at that form. Okay, so it says sign up for SongTube. Fill out this form to start making music. How about your full name, first and last? Is that okay to share or not okay to share? We would need to put an X through this one, right? That is your private information. How about your nickname? That'd be okay. Your birth date? I would recommend not sharing your birth date online. That gives some really specific information. How about your favorite song? That's okay. How about a picture? We talked about this earlier on that blue slide. How about a picture? Be careful about what picture you would upload. If it's an avatar, that would probably be best for kids our age. But if it's a real picture of you, I would put caution. I wouldn't know if I would do that. Next part of the form says, what kind of music do you like? Pop, country, hip-hop, other, jazz, and rock. That's okay information. How about your home address? Put an X through there. Home address would be private information. What about your school name? Another X would go through that one. How about, do you play an instrument? That's okay information to share. If you play an instrument, you could fill that out. How about your parent or caregiver's phone number? Again, that's private information. That's not something you should share. Now, if this is an app that you wanted to sign up for, you just need to talk with your caregiver, and then they can help you fill out the form in deciding on what is appropriate to share and what is not. So today, we talked about what information is private and what is and why we should not share that online. We talked about what was okay to share and what was not okay to share. Keep those things in mind as you keep learning at home, and if you come across any websites that you're unsure are safe, make sure that you're talking with your caregiver at home. Until next time, bye-bye.